Hello folks, have a good, oh no, how could I say this? Happy New Year, that's the way. Starting New Year with bloopers, it's not the best way to start it, but nevertheless, what we're going to do today is one small project which I have been putting aside for so many days and months and probably years as well. So allow me to show you what that is, just a sec. That's that. I'm sure you can see that. That is a nice little Wilton, I think it's a Wilton Vice, I believe so anyway. And it needs to be refixed. Let me show you what has to be done on it. Bear with me. So, as you can see, it is, not like that. It is cooked in many ways. It has that many holes in it, like it has been on the Spanish War, or something like that. Anywhere and everywhere. Bit of a chunk missing here, and somebody was bashing probably, and all this is missing. I don't know will this work well or not, but I'll try my best. I'll weld this up. But before that, I'll kill this fly because it's bothering me. I'll weld this up, and then I'll just machine that. And I will also weld all these holes up and machine them as well, so they look nice. All right. So that's the plan. First of all, let's pull this apart. Okay. That fly is still annoying, and it's still asking to be killed. I can do that without any issues whatsoever. I won't even feel sorry for it. Well, there you go. You shouldn't be asking for that. That's that bit. Now this bit. The 2nd of January. One more day before I go back to work. And I don't mind. I don't mind one single bit. We had 13 days of break, and it was enough. I'd say it was enough. Let's see. I suspect this is Imperial, but we'll try with a one that may not be. That's not the one for sure. No, metric. Metric. Okay. So that's that one. So how this thing goes about, I don't know. I like so. Okay. Okay. That's nice. I'm going to take this spindle out as well. Alright. Well, I made a New Year's resolution, and that is not to make mess anymore. So anything that I don't need, I'm going to put away. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the vise. Maybe like that so you can see something. I just need to investigate, is this step over done before? Is that, oh no, that's not original, that's somebody mapped it up. Somebody mapped it up, so we'll pull that up in both ends and weld them up. And what else we can do? Yeah, this thing here. Alright, so what it is now, what is the next step? I'm gonna heat that up and get rid of the, maybe I should do this small stuff first. It's a fairly greasy, and let me clean that up a little bit better, okay? Let me clean that up a little bit better. Maybe grab a grinder. Grab a grinder. Of course, That's not long enough. That is not long enough, okay. What I'll also do, I'll put this away. I'll grab a bit of a something, like this. Like so. How good is that? Alright, extension lead. Noise alert coming your way, guys. Okay, well, what will I do? I will heat that up so that the grease and grime gets out of those holes. That's how that looks like. Greasy, grimy, and dirty. A little bit here. Let's do a little bit here. Noise again. It was very gently inside the eyes. Not even done properly. Okay, a bit more of the noise. What I done here, I tried welding that with the MIG welder, with the gasless MIG welder. It seems to me that it's holding. That will come up sort of a moment of truth once I start machining. We'll see how that works out. But I did, before in my life, I did weld a casted iron with a MIG welder. Okay, that's clean enough. I'm going to need this grinder frequently, so I'll leave that there. Even though the New Year's resolution says put everything apart on the spot where it was, we'll leave that sucker there. I'll start with this, I'll build this up, and then I'll turn around on the other side. But that time it's going to be nice and warm. But I'll heat that up before starting welding. I'll heat it up with the torch. Alright guys, I'm not going to bore you with those preparation jobs. I'll get back to you once I'm done with this. Here we go. A bit of a heating up. That's nice and warm. That's nice and warm. So we'll turn the welder on and away we go. This is a little bit hotter settings. I'll go like this so you guys can see something. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's clean that up a touch. Noise alert. That's cool. Let's do some more. I'm not going to bother you with that. I'll get you back onto the thing when it's almost there. Here we go guys, eh? I weld the bloody shit out of it. Now it's hot, it's piping hot, and there is a possibility that might snap. Let me grab a glove or something to push with. This is that blob which was missing. So if you look at it, it should be enough. It should be enough this way, it should be enough inside the groove, and also it should be enough on the end when you look at it. But like I said, that's very, very hot. That hot that I have got myself sort of not burned, but I could feel it through the gloves. This would be best thing to put it in the sand and leave it in the sand. And I don't have any sand which is not wet around here, so it doesn't faze me at all. If it crack, I'm going to throw it in the rubbish, and that's the end of it. But at least I know I have tried. Anyway, we'll leave this now for 1 hour. I'll clean the bit of a mess I made, because I have been welding cleaning. This is gasless MIG, so it leaves that flux on the top of it. So when the next operation come about, I'll plug you guys in and then we'll go together. Until then, stay good, eh? Here we go, folks. I just put that dial indicator so you can see that I'm not that rough. See, as we swipe 50 mil backwards or forward, any way you like. It's just 1 towel, or 1.5. No, it's a 1.25. I'm not gonna mess with that. And now, for the other way, allow me to show you just a second. Okay, let's go up, upsy daisy, until the indicator starts to take a notice. There we go. I'll make it 0. Something like that. Something like that. And now we go this way. That has moved. Oh shit. I got out of the thing, out of the focus. So you can't see back roll basically. Let's do that again. Okay. Right. This is awkward business. Absolutely awkward. But allow me to set that up and I'll come back to you. I'll try a free hander like this to show you that this doesn't move that much. That's 2 towel. I tell you what, I think I'm going to leave it. Fuck it, it's good enough for the bush. Alright, let me put the tool in and I'll come back to you.